Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on where and when you're watching this. I'm your host, Chase Majerus, and this is your weekly economic update on This Week Today, brought to you by synergyone Lending. This week happens to hold one of my favorite holidays, a holiday where families get together, ignite the grill, crack some cold ones, explode some fireworks in the name of celebrating our freedoms, America. However you may feel about the current state of affairs, from heavily debated political decisions and sometimes volatile financial markets to world-class sports and top-notch music and entertainment business, America is the land of making your life truly your own. It's the American dream, dude.
The whole point of this country is if you want to eat garbage, balloon up to 600 pounds, and die of a heart attack at 43, you can. You are free to do so. To me, that's beautiful.
So happy Independence Day, everyone. Celebrate responsibly. Now let's get after it, y'all. It may be summer now, but we're getting some cool numbers regarding the national home value in April, according to the S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller National Home Price Index, which is the longest name ever. Values rose 6.4% over a year ago, or year over year in April, which is down from 6.5% from the previous month, which is a huge dip, clearly. As you've probably heard me say before, a huge factor for the home price heat is due in part to the housing supply shortage, which is ever so slightly increasing month to month, but not enough at this current moment in time. What's maybe even more frustrating to some is that home builders are focused on those trying to make the upgrade rather than focus on entry-level homes. Okay, so you're constantly hearing me talk generally about stats and numbers and articles like I'm Rain Man, but you're out there shopping for a mortgage. It doesn't feel very general, does it? I mean, your mortgage lender is constantly asking you very specific questions about, gosh darn nearly everything. How much money do you make? What's your credit score? Can I take you out for dinner next week? Why are you sweating? Okay, maybe not those last two, but these situations make you want to ask your lender, am I on trial? Is this an interrogation?
You seem defensive.
I'm not being defensive. You're the one who's being defensive. Why is it always the other person who's being defensive? You ever ask yourself that? Why don't you ask yourself that?
So before you lose your cool, here are some helpful questions for you, the consumer, to ask your lender. Number one, what interest rate can you offer me? Number two, fixed rate or adjustable? Number three, when can you lock my rate? Number four, will I have to get private mortgage insurance? And number five, what fees can I expect from you? And listen to these answers carefully. Take vigorous notes because I'm sure that there is no part of you that doesn't want to be as clear and as educated as possible about the most expensive thing that you do in your life besides that one time in Vegas. It was one time. Drink it in, folks, because due to the fact that we have a federal holiday in the middle of the week, your economic calendar update on This Week Today is lighter than fat-free milk. Check out construction spending on Monday, and while you're nursing that patriotic hangover on Thursday, check the facts on mortgage applications and what's going on with the FOMC when they release the minutes from their last meeting. Thank you for joining me on This Week Today. If you're looking to be a homeowner, check out s1lending.com to find your synergyone loan officer today, or get pre-approved online, or via our mobile app, S1 Connect, which is fire if you ask me. I'm your host, Chase Majerus, and you can find synergyone or myself on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Happy Independence Day. Oh, okay. Not that Independence Day. America. Yeah, there you go. That's the one.
Sweet America. You know,